Hello guys, so today we're going to Today we're going to talk about phrasal verb, and the phrasal verb is fall apart. So fall apart means to have a lot of problems you cannot deal with. For example, my relationship is falling apart because of my PlayStation 4. And the meaning number 2 is to break into pieces, literally. So let me give you some examples from videos. See you around.
Now my parents, they're all upset because my marriage is falling apart, and they're putting it on me, and they're just like...
Yeah, you're always...
So once we get back into the city, this what-if charade of yours is all gonna fall apart, and I can go back to being me.
Like, one moment you're gliding along. Next moment you're standing in the rain watching your life fall apart.
You don't realize how quickly everything can fall apart until it does.
So, I mean, if I was 150 years old, I'd be falling apart too, so it's okay building.
And these are Eklab news. Are your clothes falling apart? Don't worry, the trend is back. Look at these celebrities showing off the new outfits. I don't need a lot of money for this. Thanks a million for watching. See you in the next video.